Okay, let's see what we can do with this washing machine. So today we're going to clean out this drawer. It always gets quite yucky. We'll be cleaning the door. And this is quite common in front loader washing machines when they're not left open between uses. This can happen. So we'll see if we can get that nice and clean again. On a side note, can I say I've been using these gloves for a week now, and they are great. Highly recommend. So first thing we are going to do though is wipe out what we can. I'm going to give this stuff a go and see if that will do anything. So let's give it a try and see. Now I'll just leave that sit while I go off and do something else. And I'll come back after, I think I'll give it about 20 minutes and then see how it's going. Okay, let's see how it's going. So there's still some staining, but the majority's gone. So now I'm just going to wash it all off. All done. There is some staining, but that's it. Window's all done.